Hello, my name is Jason. It's my third recording. Hopefully, it won't get deleted by Screenomatic again. So I'll try it one more time. So my project is teaching clinical instructors how to teach radiography students a preclinical course in the operating room. So my course description is a 5-week preclinical course that will provide radiologic technology students with simulated experience in the operating room, as well as pre and post-operative assessment of diagnostic X-ray images. The students will be expected at the end of the course to be ready to assist the surgical team in the operating room. The objectives are to define and memorize current and previous medical terminology to communicate effectively in the operating room, interpret anatomy of preoperative images and infer what procedure is needed in the operating room, distinguish between all the functions of the C-arm, which is what we use to acquire the images down there, and then analyze the images acquired per procedure and evaluate their quality and create an action plan to improve based on expected standards. Okay, some of the resources that I have to kind of build this particular course is a few books. Radiographic Positioning by Merrill Atlas. It has an entire chapter dedicated to surgical radiography, and also an entire book um, that is dedicated to surgical radiography. We also have lessons from experience for my 10 years inside of the operating room. And also, I'm excited to use a lot of the skills that I've learned along the way with my master's degree, including technology into the courses. A lot of hybrid courses we're going to use. A lot of electronic devices that students can use while they're in lecture and outside of the classroom, especially discussion boards. Um, Most of my students are, about 75% of them are adults, and the hybrid courses can really come in handy for people that work and need to do the coursework on their own time, such as, myself and most other adult students. And so what we're going to do for assessment is, a combination of diagnostic, formative, and summative assessments. I'm really going to focus on performance-based assessments when we go into simulation. And of course, surveys at the end of the course will help gauge satisfaction from the students and enable future modifications. So I'm excited to get the project going. I'm hoping to integrate this into the courses I currently teach, and hopefully maybe nationally we can get this course going to enable students when they graduate to feel more experienced when they enter the operating room in the future. So thank you.